was a Dutch company. They went bankrupt. McLaren stepped in and bought them, and they brought them back to life. One of the things that make these VanMoof S3s, and their other bikes for that matter, unique, they have built-in shifting functionality built into the hub. Now this can be a really high-end component. So it does the shifting right back here for you. You can set up some presets in the app itself. It's got some cool built-in lock functionality. See on that rear hub, that's where the gear shifting stuff's at. See those marks there? When you kick this button with the yellow band around it, it locks so you can't move it. So it's really good built-in locking functionality. And it also has nice built-in locking functionality within the app itself. This was really kind of a trailblazer. And there's an E-shifter right here, and the shifting is quite smooth. It's really well done. The trick with these though is the service and the warranty and finding parts. The parts can get really expensive for these, but they're such a cool bike. I can see how they developed a cult following. I mean, this is just a great bike to cruise around on. It's comfortable, it rides well. I'd say this is a terrific sort of in-town commuting e-bike, and it's lightweight.